Good evening, this is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our usual tropical weather analysis, and this is for today, Friday until Monday, January 8 to 11, 2021, and we are going to give you the latest on the weather situation around the Philippine Islands. This is issued every MWF when there's no tropical cyclone, and so let's begin. Here's the latest GovSat. Beginning today, Friday until tomorrow, Saturday, we have another renewed surge of the northeast monsoon, or commonly known as in Tagalog, Amihan. So it is expected to bring winds of up to 60 kph across extreme northern Luzon and also downwards across the rest of Luzon, and it is also extending down towards the southernmost part of the West Philippine Sea, including the South China Sea, and also over Mimaropa, the Sulu Archipelago, as well as the island of Panay, and also the Bicol Region. We'll be expecting winds of up to 60 kph and on and off passing showers to some thunderstorms in between for the next 3 days. So alongside with the monsoon, we have the tail end of a frontal system affecting Bicol region and also the eastern sections of Visayas. Meanwhile, across the whole of Visayas, including Mindanao, we have a surface trough here with some partly sunny to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. As of now, we don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone in sight for the next 5 days, but we will keep you updated on the potential formation of a tropical cyclone next week. But so far, on the latest American model, it starts to weaken, so it might be just a low pressure area causing Mindanao or Visayas, so we'll keep you updated on that one. And as we look at our fast animation, you can clearly see here the cloudiness of the tail end of a frontal system, as well as some converging northeast monsoon, bringing some rains and thunderstorms across portions of southern Palawan. So here's the latest from the windy.com premium. This is the UMETSAT satellite loop for the past 6 hours, beginning at 4 p.m. until 10 p.m. this evening. You can clearly see here some passing thunderstorms over the Bicol region and eastern Visayas, brought about by the tail end of the frontal system. So it's connected here. And on the northern part of that is the northeast monsoon, also affecting Bicol, Luzon, Metro Manila, and Palawan. Also Mindoro, Romblon, Marinduque, Panay, and Sulu Archipelago, while this part of the rest of Visayas and Mindanao will be under the influence of the surface trough. So expect some passing showers, particularly the eastern sections of Luzon, while over here, over Ilocos region, it's quite dry. Okay, so that's the latest from our satellite loop. Let's take a look at our rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days, beginning today, Friday, until Sunday. There you go. You can see some light to moderate to at times heavy rainfall. So this is the accumulated rainfall for the next 3 days. And you can observe here that Bicol region, especially the eastern sections, including Calanduanes, northern Samar, Masbate, and the northern parts of Panay, they could experience some high amounts of rainfall for the next 3 days. Okay, this is due to the prevailing La Nina, which makes the tail end of a frontal system and the northeast monsoon much wetter. Okay, so expect here rainfall of up to 200 millimeters, 100 to 200 millimeters across the eastern sections of the Bicol region, while Naga City will be around less than 100 millimeters for the next 3 days. So far, that's the rain accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, courtesy of ECMWF, as well also here along the eastern coastal areas of Cagayan, and also over the areas of Kalinga, Apayao. There could be some rainfall of less than 100 millimeters, 3-day rain. Okay, so that's the latest. And if we take a look at our latest wind forecast for the next 3 days, so today the strong winds of the monsoon are merely concentrated along the West Philippine Sea, but tomorrow, Saturday, it will start to bring strong winds across the Bicol region, not exceeding 65 kph, particularly along the coastal areas, and on Sunday through Monday. So, although on Monday it will start to decay, the winds of the northeast monsoon. So far, this will be a 3-day wind condition across the Bicol region because of the northeast monsoon and the tail end of a frontal system. So enjoy the cool winds, since we are now approaching the second week of January. So we expect when we reach February, it will be much cooler, particularly in the evening and early morning. So watch out for that. And that ends our latest tropical weather analysis right here at Typhoon 2000, and we will be returning again on Monday from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.